have all your ingredients measured and ready, the detailed recipe is in the description box or at the end of the video too. So let's see what we need to make this vegan chocolate cake for the Santa cake. All-purpose flour, sugar which is powdered, cocoa powder, baking soda, vegetable oil. You can use any neutral unflavored vegetable oil, a little bit of lime juice, some salt, vanilla essence and some water. Make sure everything is at room temperature, and it's a very easy method. You don't need any mixers or beaters. So mix all the dry ingredients into one large bowl. The flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda and salt. Check the description box for the detailed recipe. Mix everything together. In another small bowl, add the wet ingredients, which is the room temperature water, oil, juice of lime or lemon, and your vanilla essence or extract. Give it a nice stir and mix the wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. This recipe makes one 6-inch cake. You can double the recipe to make a larger cake. Pour it into a greased and lined 6-inch cake pan. Put it in the oven at 160 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Once the cake is completely cooled, now I'm going to slice it into two. I'm using dark chocolate ganache for frosting. You can use your favorite frosting. Apply a generous layer of dark chocolate ganache in between the two cake slices. And also a nice thick generous layer on top. Now you don't want to cut the dome of the cake for this cake design. We need it. And I'm also carving out the edges slightly to give it a more round face-like look. Use a serrated knife and gently carve out the edges and put a generous coating of dark chocolate ganache to cover the entire cake and refrigerate it for about 10 to 15 minutes till set. Leaving out some ivory, or you can also use skin colored fondant. I have used Americolor ivory to color this white fondant. Roll it out as thin as you can. Make sure the surface area is larger than that of the cake, and once the cake is nice and chilled with the ganache all set, drape it over like so. Using some bright red Christmas colored fondant. I've used Americolor Super Red for this, or you can also use ready-made red fondant. Cut out a circular triangle shape for the hat. White strip fondant, about half an inch in breadth. Using a sharp knife, cut it out into a strip, and this is for the edging of the cap of that frosting. brush on some pink petal dust on the nose, cheeks, and a little bit on the face. I'm using the back of my X-Acto knife to mark lines on the white strip so that to give a fabric effect. Finally, using some white fondant, I'm making the moustache of the Santa. Attach it with some water or edible glue just below the nose. I'm doing this at the end because I didn't want the pink luster dust to fall on the moustache. Now here you go, our pretty Santa is ready to bring festive cheer to you and your family. If you liked this video, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Wishing you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Until next time, bye-bye.